I'm Julian, co-founder and CTO of Zenchef. Zenchef is a booking management system for restaurants. The idea is to get restaurant and customer closer together by delivering a customer experience. So we chose Chargebee for a simple reason. We used to have an in-house billing system, which took a lot of time to develop. We were trying to focus on our product more than on our billing engine. So we decided to go and see what's on the market. We first tried another vendor, a competitor, but it was not perfectly fitted with our business. So we decided to move to Chargebee, and the reasons is that Chargebee is really simple in terms of UI, so it's really easy to onboard people on Chargebee and have simple actions like add a subscription, add an add-on, etc. And also, as a CTO, my concern was to develop stuff around Chargebee, and the API is so easy and straightforward that it made total sense to adopt Chargebee. Also, the Salesforce integration that we were willing to deploy because we use Salesforce as a CRM, and we need a perfect synchronization in terms of contact and opportunities between both. So it made total sense. The idea was really to remove the burden to develop the in-house billing system, but also to adapt quickly to any change we had to do to find our product market fit. We wanted to focus on the product so that any new type of plan, any new add-on can be easily tested without any issue. They shouldn't lose time. Time is money, and in the end, whenever you want to create an in-house billing system, it won't fit perfectly for other markets. You will be at some point blocked and in your growing path. So let's make the step and move forward with Chargebee. Yeah, so we indeed spread all over Europe those days. We have a private equity that entered the game a year and a half ago, and since then we've acquired 3 companies. So Chargebee is really here to support this because, well, we have to migrate customers from different platforms to Zenchef, and so the billing has to be a no-brainer so that we can focus on delivering the features that we need to deliver to the customers that are migrating from one platform to another. So we went from 2.5k customers on Chargebee to almost 19k now. So it really is the process of growing in terms of business. But also we were able to develop some onboarding process, some contract signature process, thanks to the simplicity of the API as well. In the end, what Chargebee is, particularly on our side, is that we managed to grow this business with a really small finance team because, well, we have a low fee subscription, so we need to really have, it's a mass market business, so we need to have lots of restaurants. We cannot afford big teams, and so we managed to grow with a really small finance team. Yeah.